Today, I will talk about Workspace Members. Workspaces allow you to collaborate with your team. There are two roles for Workspace Members. Collaborators can include and exclude their own surveys and reports, as well as edit the content available in the workspace. Administrators have all the rights and privileges available for collaborators. They can also manage the workspace content and its members. To invite people to join a workspace, you have to be an administrator. First, you need to navigate to your workspace. Now, you need to select members. Click on the invite icon. Select the workspace role you want to give to new members and click Next. You now have two different options depending on whether you are working in organization or personal account. If you are working in an organization, select the organization members you want to add to your workspace, and finally, click Add. However, if you are working in the personal account, you need to insert email addresses of the people you want to add to your workspace. Once you are done, click Next and Send Now. People can only join workspaces if they are invited by administrator. Joining a workspace depends whether you are working in your personal account or an organization. If you are working in an organization, you will join automatically after being added. However, if you are working on your personal account, you will get an in-app message with the invitation to join the workspace, which you have to actively accept. After joining, the user will see the workspace in their workspace library, and all the content will be visible in the survey and report libraries as well. And that's it for today.